emergency broadcast system announcing.
Alright, I'm not saying I'm gonna rush this, but I had to turn my fish tank off for this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 2 years, but if you're new, hi, my name is Destiny, aka Star Station. Welcome to the team. Welcome to Star Station gang. Alright, so today's video is about 3 ways you could tie a turban or a head wrap or a headscarf, whatever you call it. So today, that's what I'm doing. God! I learn how to do this. I haven't done YouTube in like 2 years. So this time I'm trying to speak louder than I did before. And yeah, alright, step 1. I've seen some people wear like a wig cap or whatever cap to like tie their head down first, like to put it on first, but I use my do-rag and I have like 20 of them. So first, tie your head down, tie your head down first. Okay, yo, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but all right. Okay, so first you tie your head down with whatever. You could use a wig cap, you could use a do-rag or whatever you want to use. Now, this right here, okay, this is what we're using. I'm using this. It's not like a regular scarf, so it's not like a square where you tie it in the middle, make a triangle, make a little slice of pizza, but it's like more like a rectangle, a long rectangle. So what we're gonna do first is gonna do this. Make sure it's like the bottom is touching your nose or past your nose, right? Then you're going to fold it up. I'm doing this with no mirror. What? I don't know why I didn't bring the mirror, but okay.
So, to up the nose, to put your toe, yeah, then you fold it up. Fold it up so. Right? As if you like you're doing a little zoo style, little zoo. Then what you're gonna do now, we're going to slowly turn around. So you're going to tie the back. You're going to tie the back. Tight. Hold on.
Yeah, I had to make sure it was still recording because I don't want to hear 10%. Yeah, no. Whole video cut off looking dumb. So you're gonna take this side. This is my left side. You're gonna take the left side. You're going to spin it or turn it or twist it. You're gonna keep going until you reach the end. Vanity. And then you're gonna overlap it to the front. Wait. I'm not even supposed to be saying anything. Alright. So now you're gonna continue turning it. Twist it. Now tuck. You're gonna tuck under. You're gonna tuck it under that pocket that we made earlier. So now we're gonna try this again. We're gonna twist it, and this time we're putting it on the bottom. Put it on the bottom, then we're gonna tuck it in the pocket. Now you know it looks dumb, I know, but bear with me. So we're gonna take the other side, we're gonna twist it and put it on top. We're gonna continue twisting it, and we're gonna put it in the pocket. After you do so, you just adjust the two. You got him. And him. Yeah. That. that's 2. Okay guys, so the third one, I have not mastered it yet, so don't clown me, but we're gonna try it out either way because I did promise you guys 3. So let's see how it goes. No, so I have to see if it good. Alright, so this one is a top knot. Man, no. Alright. So, people be using socks, people be using, I don't know what, but we're gonna use a hat. So, gonna turn the hat inside out like this. On the edge top. And I think, wait, hold on. Hold on. I think this is what they do. Yes, I've watched videos on this, but I still get confused. Oh, shit. Turn this. Tuck this in. Tuck the X's in. And then turn on fish on this one. Okay. Wait.
What?
Shit. Wait. Okay. And then you know something I know what I do right there, no, but it look like something. It look, yeah. I tuck this in, yeah. Add that, Alright. So guys, this is 3. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. I know like other videos I've seen, it looks way much better, but what y'all think? Please comment down below and let me know what you think about number 3, because number 3, I don't know if I did it right or not, but take this off. So what you guys think? Down below in the comments, let me know which style was your favorite one, and put a thumbs up, subscribe, put the notification button on. Star Station Gang, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Star Station Gang. I will put a link to my website in the description. No Star Station. You know, check my clothing line out. Video. But, you know, this is my welcome back video. Let's see if I'm consistent. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But you guys will not be waiting another 2 years for the next video. That I could tell you. Welcome back, or welcome back. Thank you for watching my video, and Star Station Gang, we out.